going on? It's Master Coach Aaron Guyett. Hey, I'm here with another benefit of battle rope. So these can be excellent, specifically in the running cueing to help produce higher knee drive, more elbow drive, increased core work, right? That little transverse action that happens in the run, and increased foot speed. So whether I'm set up forward or backward, right? Maybe they don't have enough drive, knee drive, so I just say, hey, higher knee drive those elbows more, right? Or work that core through here. So I should have, boom, knee and elbow connecting, right, as I come up, right? And then I'll go in the direction that you would run. And that right there, because you're gonna be at about 5 to 8 degree lean, right? Maybe 3 degree lean from your ankle, through your knee, through your hip, through your shoulder, and through your ear when you're running. And then you're, okay, let's work on foot speed, let's work on knee drive, let's work on elbow drive, let's work on that vertical core engagement as you go through and increase that speed, that turnover speed of your run. So enjoy, make your next one your best one.